Hello everyone. So back again. I am apologising about the gaps between these videos. Struggling with the phone and uploading to YouTube, so do need to try and get the laptop sorted and find a good editing program. Anyone knows of anything that is good to use for some simple person like me, please let me know. It will be very handy. Where are we? So loads of progress going on. We are now at the stage the engine is out. That has been stripped. I've replaced all the gaskets, painted the block, just waiting for a tool to turn up so I can replace the clutch. I don't have the right size socket, believe it or not. Engine bay, I've just started treating and rubbing down. There was not a lot of rust on there, but service stuff, and I think it was called like spider web rust. I can't speak today. So just rubbing all that down and treating that with rust killer, and then I'm going to put that in primer and repaint the engine bay. So loads of progress going on there. I had to do some repairs to the front wings. I wanted to try and salvage them because, which I'll show you in a minute, they are the original wings to the car, and they are the small bumpers. So I mean, you've got like 2 holes instead of like the 4 you normally find on the bigger bumper wings. So yeah, a little bit of fabrication which I still need to finish off, but I can't do that now until I replace the seals, and then I can make them fit perfectly. But generally they're almost done. Let me do, I'll turn the phone around and I'll talk through the stuff I've done, and then if you've got any queries or any questions, please get back to me. But yeah, watch this space. Massive progress. And also I've booked it in for Volkswagen at Penshurst show in July. That's my target. That's what I want to get it done by. It's going to be a challenge. I've still got quite a bit to do, but and obviously finance is now taking a bit of a blow, but I'm pretty certain we can make it, and it'll be a good time to show it off and advertise it. And if all goes well, then we can get on to the next. But yeah, let me turn this around and I'll show you what we've done. Okay, here we go. So yeah, as you can see, engine is out. Now the subframe, it was rotten in a couple of places. It was questionable if I was going to buy a new one or salvage this. Now, due to finances and trying to do everything with what I can, I've paid a friend of mine who owns a renovation company to do a professional weld on it, so it will be absolutely solid. Then obviously when I get it back here, it will be treated and painted as well, so that'll be good as new. Obviously you can see I've taken off the brake lines, taken off the master cylinder there as well. I've got to repair or get a new brake line made up, which I'm getting done today, which runs down here down to the driver's side front, so that will be done today. But engine bay wise, as you can see, just started rubbing down a few bits, you know, service rust there, and obviously running down the leg there. And then over here, all needs tidying up, all needs flattening off. But I thought for the minute, treat all the rust, and then I can come in here, I use the heat gun, get rid of all this wax oil, and then wet and dry the whole bay. It's all nice and smooth, ready for paint. Now what I have done is, so the bottom of the legs, down here when this phone actually works, and along here, what I've done, I've treated all that already, and I've painted that in underseal. Some people may not like that, but it does get a lot of traffic film, a lot of salt and everything else here in the UK, so I thought it would just be good good practice to do so. And then obviously I will mask along the back, everything else will have a fresh coat of paint and a couple of coats of lacquer as well. Looking forward to getting this done. It's going to look really good. The engine bay, so I say the engine, like I say, everything that bolts onto the engine has been taken off, and it's had a nice fresh coat of paint, so it does look really good. Also, I don't know if you remember from one of the other videos, there was rust here. It was actually rotten, and I had to literally, since I sat to a hammer, all fell through. So I've made a plate. Again, it's not easy to see, but I've made a plate there. That's all welded, it's seam sealed and undersealed in there, so happy with that. I've also started painting on the inside. Do need some new front shocks, so if anyone's watching your local and you've got some shocks, hit me up. Be really handy. I've actually, like I say, the amount of money I've paid out now to sort of get this far is a lot. Got to get a new wheel bearing here, loads of plate, and that's noisy. Again, as you can see under here, that's all been undersealed. Wings on temporarily at the moment. I've just ground back all the rust. Again, this all needs to be flattened and filled along this front lip, just to get a perfect finish. So that's what I've been working on. Once this engine is in and once it is running, the next step will be literally finish off the welding on doing both seals, and then I've got to do the rear arch. Well, not the whole thing. Sorry, this phone is terrible. I've just got to replace that part of the seal, of the arch, sorry. So nothing too drastic. There is a little bit of surface rust on this, but it is salvageable and it's not gone all the way through. So and then all I need to do, drop the fuel tank. I just want to get in here and sort this rust out, and there's a bit of a hole on the inside I've got to do. I've bought some new interior. I'm actually picking it up this weekend, and it's a lot better than what was in it. But yeah, get this engine in, get it running, and then I can get the car prepped for paint. And then, you know, it'll just look so much nicer. The wheels I am treating myself. So wheels are rubbed down. So this is the spare wheel, and they're going to be painted silver. So I'm going to redo them. Again, all rubbed down. They just need smoothing off a bit of wet and dry. But do them myself as well. Anything I can do to save myself some money, the better. And you can't really see in there, but that's the bottom of the engine. As you can see, the alternator bracket is all painted, and the block is all painted nice and black as well. So yeah, I'm not going to show you that yet because I'm looking forward to getting that all put together, and then I can show you. I'm just waiting for a few parts to turn up, cam belt, and a few other little bits and pieces, and that's the engine finished. So yeah, I am still here. We are still working. Yeah, like I say, I want to be more regular with the videos, but you know, the technology and stuff I've got, I don't really want to go and buy a new phone or a new camera at the minute. I want to chuck all my finances into the car to get it done for the show in July. So, but yeah, still going at it. Like I say, I will speak to you all soon. Hopefully next time you see me, the engine bay painted, and getting the old girl running. But till then, I'll speak to you soon. Cheers. Bye bye.